Hello everyone. I welcome you all for this lecture series on 4G and 5G communication networks. In this lecture, that is lecture number 2, we will deeply discuss into the 1G network. So this is the first generation mobile. If you are looking into the first generation mobile as comparing to the 5G technology, the size of the mobile was bigger. So this is the example of Motorola Dynac mobile phone. It is like a brick, this 1G network. And now we will deeply discuss into the most popular 1G systems used in the years 1980s. The first system is the AMPS, Advanced Mobile Phone System. This advanced mobile phone system was a popular 1G system introduced in the year 1983 in the United States and other countries. It operated on the 800 MHz frequency range and supported voice calls only. AMPS was the first commercial mobile phone system and marked the beginning of mobile communication. The next most popular 1G system is the TACS, that we can call it as Total Access Communication System, TACS. This was the another widely used 1G system introduced in the year 1985 in the United Kingdom and other countries. It operated on 900 MHz frequency range and also supported voice calls only. TACS was similar to AMPS but had some technical differences. The third type is NMT, that is Nordic Mobile Telephone. NMT system was introduced in the year 1981 in Nordic countries such as Denmark, Finland, Norway, and Sweden. It operated on the frequency 450 MHz range and supported voice calls only. NMT was known for its robustness and reliability. And the fourth type is Radiocom 2000. This was a 1G system introduced in the year 1985 in France, operating on the 900 MHz frequency range. Like other 1G systems, it operated voice calls only. These 1G systems paved the way for future generations of mobile communications, introducing mobile phone services to the masses and marking an important milestone in the evolution of mobile technology. And the disadvantages of 1G systems are it was the analog technology, and 1G system used analog technology which was prone to the interference and noise affecting call quality and limited capacity. The 1G system had a limited capacity, this already we have seen, and supporting only a small number of users per cell and no data services. 1G system did not support data services like text messaging, internet access, or email. And poor security. The 1G system had poor security, making it easy for calls to be intercepted or e-waste dropped. And large and heavy devices. 1G mobile devices were large, heavy, and had a short battery life. This is the main drawback of this 1G system. And limited coverage. 1G system had limited coverage with the signals often weak or unavailable in rural areas. So these are all the main disadvantages of 1G systems. So in conclusion, the 1G network marked the beginning of mobile communication era, revolutionizing the way people connected and communicated on the go. Although it had limitations such as analog technology, limited capacity, and no support for data services, 1G networks paved the way for the development of subsequent generations. The introduction of 1G networks in the 1980s was a groundbreaking achievement that enabled mobile voice communication for the first time and set the stage for the growth of the mobile industry and laid the foundation for the development of more advanced wireless technologies. As we move forward in the era of 5G and beyond, it's essential to recognize the significance of 1G networks in shaping the mobile communication landscape. The lessons learned and the innovations that emerged from 1G networks continue to influence the development of modern wireless technologies, making it an important chapter in the evolution of communication network. Hope all you had enjoyed this 1G network. The other technologies we'll discussing in the future lectures. Thank you.